Students, in this video class, I will be going through certain points that is from this chapter, the outbreak of the revolution in France. Then after this, I will share two questions with you and also answer, and two questions will be given to you to solve, to do it yourself. So let's start the summary. So Louis XVI had to increase tax. Why? You know, these things are discussed in the previous chapter, and to do this he had to call the meeting of the State General, where the three states will be attaining for the proposal to increase taxes, because the power to increase the taxes was with the State Generals, not with the king, but the king had this power to decide when to call the meeting. And on 5th May 1789, there was a General Assembly where the three states assembled, and how the State Generals were treated, go through it properly. There will be questions from the General Assembly meeting. The third state demanded voting and they walked out of this assembly, and later on 20th June they gathered in the tennis court of Versailles, where they declared themselves as a National Assembly of the nation. And in that meeting there was two individuals, Mirabeau and Abbesius. From these two individuals there can be a short note related with these two persons. On 14th July, this is an important event of France Revolution, remember, the agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille, and from there it started to other parts of France. On the night of 4th August 1789, Louis XVI finally had to agree that his power will be checked and he will be guided by the Constitution. And the Assembly also passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligation and taxes. Why? Why the Assembly abolished? What were the taxes? What were the obligations? It can be a question. And how the Assembly is elected, I have discussed this. Go through it properly. Questions can be from there. And in the year 1791, the Constitution powered the Assembly to form laws, and they formed a declaration, laws related with man and citizen, that I have discussed. Go through it properly, because the laws are related with many of the current countries, even with India. A concept based question can be from these laws, and there will be questions from the lessons also. Go through it properly, one more question specially. Two questions from this chapter. The first one is, how was the National Assembly recognized and how did it start exercising its powers? Question of 3 marks. First point. Second. And the third. First is related with National Assembly accepted the Constitution, then passed a decree, and the third one is related with the member of clergy, abolition of taxes. The next is, describe the features of France Constitution. Very important question. This is the question of 5 marks. And here are the two questions. The first one, why did the third state walk out of the General Assembly called by Louis XVI? This question is of 3 marks. At least try it for 1.5 wise to answer. And the second is related with, name the democratic rights we enjoy today, whose origin could be traced to the France Revolution. The answer of these rights are related with the declaration. So go through it thoroughly and try to answer without taking help of your parents, remember. So students, solve these two questions. Thanks.